So just follow along with this example here. I'll kind of go step by step so that way you can get an idea what we're doing. Then we'll start having you work some of these on your own also. So here we go. We're going to solve negative 2x minus 3y equals 21 and 4x plus 3y equals negative 27. We're going to solve this system here by elimination or addition. So we're going to add both of these straight down. So we have negative 2x's, and this is all elimination is. We're just using addition to add the equations together. So negative 2x's plus 4x's, that's going to make 2x's. Now here we have negative 3y plus 3y, that's going to make 0y's. Then we have an equal sign, and then we have 21 minus 27, and that's going to make a negative 6. Now notice here, the y's were eliminated, so we can basically just ignore them. And what's left over? 2x equals negative 6. Well, this one's pretty simple to solve. So we just divide 2 to both sides. In order to solve for x, we'll divide 2 to both sides to undo the times 2 to the x. So we got 2 over 2, that makes 1x there. Negative 6 divided by a positive 2, negative divided by positive is going to be a negative. 6 divided by 2 is a 3. So we found the x value for this system, it's negative 3. After we find the x, time to find the y. Here we go. So we're going to look and see for finding the y, which equation looks like it will be easier to work with. You can use either one. You'll get the exact same answer if you use either one. This one here, the numbers are smaller, so I would go with this one instead. So we got negative 2x minus 3y equals 21. We're going to replace the x with what x is equal to, in this case, negative 3. So x gets replaced with a negative 3. Clean it up a little bit. There's some multiplication there. We can go negative 2 times negative 3 makes a positive 6. And then we still have the minus 3y equals 21. Now we solve. It's a two-step equation. We're trying to figure out what y equals. So we don't want the 6 or the negative 3 there. So to undo the positive 6, we'll subtract 6 to both sides. So no more 6's on the left, just the negative 3y equals 21 minus 6 is going to make a 15. Next up, we don't want the negative 3 being multiplied to the y. We just want y by itself. So undo that with a divide by negative 3. Negative 3 over negative 3 is 1y, written right there. We got a positive 15 divided by a negative 3, so that's going to be a negative. And then 15 divided by 3 is a 5. So the ordered pair that makes both equations true is negative 3 comma negative 5. And this will work if you were to substitute those values in for the x's and y's for both equations. You would end up with true statements.